Here comes the rain.
Trying to focus on that one, thank you. Never gonna keep it down. Don't feed the pimp hand. Oh. Give me that, Mr. Pimp Hand. Dead. Here's the pimp hand. Woo. Not fearing it. No fear of him. Please don't come close. Oh, look at that. He scared me. He jumped so quickly. What you gonna do? What the fuck? He does have a ranged attack that could probably hit me. Oh, he kicked me in the face! You son of a... You kicked me in the face. I do not appreciate that you kicked me in the face. I'm probably going to lose my blood in this run. That is not cool, man. Come on. Woo! Can't touch this. Smarter. Learning. Yeah, there you go. Rage mode. Don't fear the pain. Never going to keep you down. Looked like you were coming closer there, man. What's with this? What's that? Why aren't you? There you go. Oh, I gotta kill you. Actually, I don't think I have to kill you again. That should be... Is that the fire? I have 2. Ah. Okay, 3 more. I hate these things so much. Just want my blood. Can you stop sending those at me? Can you, like, perhaps pimp hand me? I'd really like to use you to use your pimp hand on me. Stop that any day now, man. Any bloody day. Any day, you can just stop. You're not gonna stop, are you? Please give me some blood. I really could use some. Oh, thank you. I can waste that second one or whatever. It'll do. Nope. Caught you that time. Love some blood from you too, but of course. Don't fear something. Never going to knock you down. Hey buddy. How's it going? Yee! No! Bad Mr. Reaper Man. No, get down here already. Stop being a coward when there's that other thing behind you. Now. Yeah, oh, jeez. Hey, buddy. Are you gonna be like that too? You gonna come like... Cancel at me? Ow, God. Nope. You just gonna do that all day? Is this what it's gonna be? Constant... Oh, God, man. Just why? Oh! No way, man. Dang it, no. Not cool. Hey, screw this. I'm killing you from afar. How do you like the range game? Huh? You like it a lot, don't you? Playing a range game now, buddy. You know? You gonna give me some blood? Because that would be real convenient. Oh dear, never going to keep it down. I'll be back for you. I'm actually gonna shoot the crap out of you once I kill this guy. So not fighting that thing. Dogs down here, man. Yeah. Man, not the same kind of guy. Come on, man.
Check these out!